All right, we're on page 222, and we're only going to do number 29. So go ahead and skip the rest of the page. Just do number 29 here with me, and then you're going to be done with the page. All right, let's read it together. Multi-step. Mark ordered a rug. He gave a deposit of 30% of the cost of the rug and will pay the rest when the rug is delivered. If the deposit was $75, how much more does Mark owe? Explain how you found your answer. All right, so what we know is 30% means 30 hundredths. So I'm going to start by writing that. 30% means 30 hundredths. And he paid 75. So is 75 the cost of the rug? It's not, and we know that for a couple of different reasons. One, it says he's going to pay the rest when the rug is delivered. So if we don't know the cost of the rug, then what we do know is that it's not the whole. It's the part. So 75 is the part. We don't know the cost of the rug. It's right here. We don't know. We're unclear about that. So now what do we do? Well, 30 doesn't go into 75, so we try simplifying. And this is one of those easy ones to simplify where you could actually just simplify the tens off. If you divide 30 by 10 and 100 by 10, you'd get 3/10. So when numbers end in 0, you can just simplify by taking those zeros off. Now look how easy the math is. What do you notice about 3 and 75? 3 times 25 is 75. And so now I need to do 10 times 25 is, well, what is 10 times 25? It's 250. So 250 will be the cost of the rug. The problem is that that's not the question. So let's go reread it. It says Mark ordered a rug. He gave a deposit of 30% of the cost and will pay the rest when the rug is delivered. If the deposit was 75, how much more does Mark owe? So pay attention to the fact that he paid 75 and 250 is the total cost. To actually answer this, we now need to go 250 minus 75 is, I'm going to do that over here. And this is going to be my answer after I do 250 minus 75. So I'm going to borrow. 10 minus 5 is 5. And 14 minus 7 is 7. And 1 minus nothing is 1. I get 175. It's 175 is how much he still owes. It's how much Mark still owes. And I'm going to put a box around that to emphasize that that's my final answer. I got a bunch of work there. I actually modeled all my work on those lines so that you could have some work on your lines too. So I did a proportion, I modeled everything, I subtracted, and 175 is what's left. It's how much he still owes. All right, great job. You are done with page 222, because we're skipping the rest of the page, and you are done with lesson 8.3. Great job.